매년 하는 거 같은데.
아 근데 형 약간 형 센세이션이긴 해요. 무다다 지켜줘.
야 우리는 되게 소통하지 그렇지. 제일 좋아.
이거 어떻게 해야 돼요? 어? 이렇게? 어? 오. 오, 완벽히 멋있다. 진아. 윤기야. 어머. 잘생겼다. 그거 나 죽을래. 나 지금 죽을래. 아줌마리 작가님들이 와 이거 진짜 너무 아름답다. 아름답네요. Teamwork. 오. 알았어. 제협. 수가 있지만 이거 단코 말이야. 알았어 지멘. 네가 장난감이 아니야. 아 찾았다. 어머. 알았어. I have successfully pulled 2 of my biases. 너무 행복해요. 너무 행복해요. So, say there was enough time and always just a bit not enough me. Say there are no more love poems to write. Say there are no more ways to say you miss me. I'm afraid I've missed them all. I'm afraid I've missed the last train that wasn't running late. I'm afraid of unfastened seatbelts on buses that do not supply them. The drivers are beginning to perceive me. I'm afraid that they will know me as you do. I am once again hoping that you still, in fact, know me, though I'm sure we don't know each other at all anymore. At least you'd recognize me. Please recognize how much I gave a fuck. Please know that I can still love just as much as I think about you. I'm afraid that people don't believe me when I say I thought about them just yesterday. When I say I've thought about you 5 times already and it's only 9:30 a.m. I wonder if you still search my socials for signs. I'm afraid I'll never be good with social life. I search myself for a version with less pride. Lately, I've been searching more for the time. Yesterday, I asked Google if I was kind. Do I still have to be nice? Sometimes I'm afraid that I'm not sparing you, but am sparing myself the burden. Lately, life is so fucked, I'm too broke to give. The truth is, I'm afraid I have nothing more to offer you. Every act I told myself I'd return it, and yet still I am on this endless ride. Still, I have no time. Still, time is broke. Still, my time isn't so valuable. As valuable as you, I hope you will one day know. I sometimes wonder if you look at hourglasses and think about how it's all worth sand. You see, these days, I take the bus for 4 hours almost every day back and forth from the edge of land, sad being so close to where you lived. I know you've hopped on a plane and gone again. How funny, a place that gave me nothing but anxiety. You should see it all beneath my feet. Nothing but sand and people passing. I'm afraid they'll begin to know me as you do. Though I don't tell you. I've been searching. I'll find time soon.